Nice ride.
You see the engine?
You want me to take a look? I am pretty handy.
I bet.
Come on.
You want to look under my hood? You gotta buy me dinner first. Maybe another time.
Hey. Where are you going?
Oh, yeah. I'm late. Gotta make it to LA by sundown.
Maybe next time, dude. Let's go get her. Why'd you stop? I was having so much fun.
Out of gas.
Oh, that's too bad. I'm not. Why don't you hop in and I'll give you a ride to town.
Yeah, no, thanks.
Hey, man, let's not do this.
I wasted $500 worth of gas chasing you through the desert. So don't be a bitch.
No one asked you to race, okay?
Barry, she's right.
Please don't.
Dude, come on.
Back off, Dodge.
Please don't. Please.
Come on, man.
Back up.
Stop. Please don't. Please.
Now, you just hold still, and this won't hurt a bit.
Funny. I was just about to say that.
All right, hurry up, Barry.
What the fuck are you doing? Please don't hurt me.
Sorry, pal. Gotta top off.
What is it? Go back.
Reckless driving. Report immediately to your signal.
Stop. Turn around. Hands up. Hands up. Turn around. Drop the leg. You're under arrest.
Barbie? Barbie? You're a pain in my ass.
Take deep breaths. I'm gonna call 911. We're gonna get some help here for you. Shit.
They hurt my baby. It's okay. Push me out. Push me out.
Well played. Now,
Fix my car.
I'm sorry.
Have your little genius. Fix my car.
You can't kill me. It's against the rules.
And what do the rules say against maiming? Because I'm pretty sure I could get a bonus for extra carnage if I just chop off your thumbs. Unless you really think you can beat me in a fight.
Take care of this woman's car.
What about the bench?
She'll be fine. Oh, fortune smile. Just when the tank needed a topping.
No.
Be ashamed to mar such a lovely mark. Maybe I'll cut it off. Get the scholar to wear it. Might spice things up a bit.
Rules are no rules. He can mess you up.
I don't care.
It's your face. Suit yourself.
They have families waiting for them. Did you ever think about that? Or can you justify anything? You hurt them, next time we meet, I'll do this to you.
Very well. Blood under the bridge. I promise. I will not kill these ladies. We'll free them once you're gone.
Okay, she'll run.
Very good. Your chariot awaits.
How can we be sure he fixed it right?
The scholar is infuriatingly detailed when it comes to his machines. It's his obsession. My obsession is good manners. I am the gentleman, after all. We will keep our word to the letter. But if we meet on the road again, well, that's another matter.
Let's go. Tick-tock, Barbie. We're way behind.
You kill them, I'll find out about it.
If I fail to keep my promise, I will welcome your vengeance.
Is everybody a psychopath?
How long will their engine hold?
About 2-3 hours tops.